You learned spoken Arabic. Great. Now cross the border. Does your Arabic still work? Let's find out. Yes, Arabic dialects are different, but they also share a lot. Many common words are the same or very close. The accent may change. Some local words may change, but you can still communicate with people in many situations. So learning one dialect doesn't mean you can only use your Arabic in one country. Often, yes, but at first you may need some time to get used to the accents. A word you already know may sound different when someone from another country says it. And here's something useful. Many common words are still written the same way. So sometimes you hear a word and think, I don't know this word. But when you see it written, you realize, oh, I know it. They just say it differently. That's why a new accent may feel difficult at first, but become easier with listening. No, you don't need to learn Arabic again. You already have a strong base. In a new country, you may need to learn some local words and get used to the way people speak. You are adding to the Arabic you already know, not starting from zero. That's completely normal. You don't need to know every word to understand the conversation. You may understand the sentence, the topic, and the situation. That can help you guess the meaning. And if you still don't understand, just ask. The other person can explain it to you in Arabic. And because you already speak Arabic, you can understand the explanation. You are using Arabic to learn more Arabic. The opposite can happen too. Maybe you use a word they don't know. You explain what you mean. They tell you the word they use and the conversation continues. For communication, yes, you don't need to know every local word. You don't need to understand every accent perfectly. And you don't need to speak like a local in every country. Learn one dialect well and build a strong base. Then, when you visit another Arab country, listen, ask questions, learn the differences, and keep talking. You already have Arabic. Now you are learning the different ways people speak it, and that's much easier than starting from zero. If you could visit one Arab country tomorrow, which country would you choose? Write it in the comments.